Excel students and families. No, this isn't Mrs. Butler underneath this mask. My name is Mr. Tilley, and I'll be taking over for Mrs. Butler this year. Hopefully everybody is safe and healthy. I want to just give you a welcome to Amity Excel this year. Things are going to be different. It's going to be a learning experience for both teachers and for the students. I wanted to make sure that all of you are safe. Make sure you are washing your hands, and hopefully we'll all be back in person really soon. Right now, you're lucky and you don't have to be wearing your mask because you're at home. When you do come to school, you will have to wear your mask. If you don't have one, we'll get one for you, so don't worry about that. Just stay tuned for information about it as far as Google Classrooms and what our schedule is going to be like. I'm really excited to interact with you online. If any of you have any questions or anything like that, you can call me at school. The number is 208-854-4250. And once again, welcome.